You're looking at a 2017 Toyota Prius Prime plug-in hybrid, 4-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, 100,000 miles. This is the Premier, so it comes fully loaded. ABS, traction, stability control, alloy wheels, keyless entry. It is a plug-in hybrid, so you can plug it in and drive on electricity alone for about 25 miles. And then the gas engine kicks on and gets about 50 miles per gallon. Keyless entry. The numbers right here. The two-tone leather, soft X leather with full power options. The tablet-like screen, navigation, backup camera, N-Tune smart system, HD radio, Grace Note system, wireless charging, heated seats, lane keep assist, radar cruise control, Bluetooth, hands-free steering. Exact mileage is 101,138. Automatic headlights. Comes fully loaded. Again, you can run this on electricity or gas. 25 miles on electricity, 50 miles per gallon when you're using gas. It's the best of both worlds. If you're interested, please give us a call. Phone number is 508-921-0301. Thank you.